What's up YouTube? Amir Talic here and right now I'll unbox Hot Wheels Speed Graphics 5 pack. Enjoy the video. Let's show the car first. That's Dodge Charger Hella graphics on the car. That's custom 15 Ford Mustang with the Pennzoil on this. That's Toyota Supra with G-Ready. Get ready. That's Ford GT with the Sparkle logo. And that's Corvette Grand Sport. Goodyear logo. Are we gonna open this? Let's do it, shall we? Let's start with the Toyota Supra. That's the nice car. Wait a minute. I tried to find this car on the store. It was impossible. Now I bought this one. I love Toyota Supra. Get ready logo. That's nice. I like this car. It's the nicest and beautiful car. Nice. Let's start with a Dodge Charger Drift. Nicest and coolest drifting car. Nice Hot Wheels car. Powerful, nice car. Let's start with the custom 15 Ford Mustang. The nicest car ever. Pennzoil logo on this car, yellow car. Beautiful. And this Dodge Charger Drift got Hella logo on the car. Now we're gonna look at the Ford GT. Nice car, nice wheels. Sparkle logo. It's nice car ever. I like this to watch the car. Beautiful. This Charger got a blue wheel. Nice spoiler. Nice car ever. And this Supra have a nice wheel and cool tires. That's Mustang, custom 15 Ford Mustang. Nice wheels, black wheels, rims, black tires. Beautiful, is it? Now, let's see this Corvette Grand Sport. The classic Corvette with the Goodyear logo, exhaust on the side. Nice, cool car. Nice car. Blue stripes. Nice car. Nice car. Get ready logo. Goodyear, Dodge, Pennzoil, Hella, Sparkle logo. That's nice. Maybe it's released in 2016. and I don't know. Get Ready logo, Sparco logo, and Goodyear logo. Nice. Cool car ever. I like the red one. The Supra is nice car. So that's gonna be the end of the videos, guys. Hope you like the videos. Click thumbs up if you like the videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Amir Talic, with AMIR TALEC. Have a nice evening, a nice weekend, everybody. All world actors, YouTubers, singers, and everybody around the world, whole world. Have a nice evening. Take care of yourself. Peace.